my name is John. Welcome to a special Christmas giveaway. My friend and channel sponsor Rob at Extreme Plasma has kindly donated a complete stick welding kit to be given away. There's a little Artec 135 amp inverter, quick chase helmet, all the leads, gloves, clamps, wire brushes, even a chipping hammer. Everything you need to get started. All you need to do to enter the competition is subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with a friend. To enter, you need to post a comment, and in the comment you need to have the words written Extreme Plasma. And whatever else you like you can write, but Extreme Plasma must be in the comment, then my computer will pick it out and that way I can choose a winner. Subscribing to my channel doesn't cost anything, it just means you get a notification of any future videos. So we get your girlfriends or boyfriends or whatever to subscribe, and then also get them to send in a comment with the words Extreme Plasma. Then you've got twice a chance of winning, and I get even more subscribers, so hopefully I can get to 100,000. I'm going to bring the camera in, show you exactly what you get. It is an excellent prize. Deborah's already had a go with the welder and she actually wants it, but she's not going to get it. I've actually got one of these little sets and I do use it quite a lot. Right, the first thing is the welder, Artec Pro 135 amp inverter welder, which runs off a 13 amp plug. That obviously comes with the leads you need to weld. I've actually done a review on this welder. I can always put a link to it in the description box so you can go and have a look at what you might well win. Then there's a nice little quick change helmet, all you need for stick welding. I've actually tried that, it's nice, it's a good little, nice lightweight helmet. Some safety equipment, nice heavy welding gloves, a wire brush, some electrodes to get you started. I find that welder runs great on 2.5mm rods. Some welding clamps, these are really handy, magnetic clamps. You can get a set of wire brushes to work on your drill. A chipping hammer, quite a nice chipping hammer that. It's better than the one I've got. An Extreme Plasma cup. And 2 pins. Everything you need to get started.